Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to resize circle selection in Photoshop. Let's begin. See this image. Right click, use resize circle, hold shift, then selection this to this circle, selection and resize it. Go to selection tab, select tab and modify, expand, contract. I use first of all use expand for 5 pixels. Click OK. Now see this expand 5 pixel selection and inside again selection tab modify and use contract. Then 5 pixels. Click. Now see this inside 5 pixel selection. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.